This video I will explain UPI Lite versus normal UPI. What is UPI? UPI is a system that lets you send and receive money directly from your bank account using your mobile phone. You usually enter your UPI PIN to complete the payment. Now we will see what is a normal UPI. Normal UPI is a regular way you pay using apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm or BHIM. How it works? You enter the amount, you choose the bank account, you enter your UPI PIN, money moves from your bank account to other person bank account. Key points. Needs UPI PIN for every payment, works for small and large amounts, payment is done directly from your bank account, shows in your bank statement. Now we will see what is UPI Lite. UPI Lite is a simpler and faster version of UPI made for small daily payments like tea, snacks, auto or groceries. It works like a wallet inside your UPI app. How it works? You add money from your bank to UPI Lite. This money is stored in your UPI Lite balance. You pay without entering UPI PIN. Key points. No UPI PIN is needed for small payments. Only for low value transactions. Uses a preloaded balance. You add money first. Faster than normal UPI. Does not overload your bank statement with many small entries. Now we will see why UPI Lite was created. Normal UPI can become slow when many people use it at the same time. You make too many small payments. UPI Lite solve this by handling small payments separately, making them quick and smooth. Now we will see the example to understand easily. Imagine your bank account is the main place where you keep all your money at home. In case of normal UPI, you go home, take money and pay every time. In case of UPI Lite, you keep some cash in your pocket and pay quickly without going home again and again. Limits in UPI Lite may change by bank or app. You can keep only small maximum balance. Currently it is 5000 rupees. Each payment has small limit. Currently it is 1000 rupees per transaction. This is because it made only for low value transactions. When to use normal UPI? Use it when you are sending large amounts. You are paying rent, fees, shopping bills. You need full bank record for every payment. When to use UPI Lite? Use it when you are paying for tea, snacks, auto and small shops. You want a very fast payment. You don't want to enter UPI PIN again and again. Now we will see main differences between UPI Lite and normal UPI. For normal UPI, payment source is directly from bank account. For UPI Lite, payment source is from UPI Lite balance. In case of normal UPI, UPI PIN is required for every payment. In case of UPI Lite, UPI PIN is not required for small payments. Normal UPI is best for all types of payments. UPI Lite is best for small daily payments. Speed of normal UPI is normal. Speed of UPI Lite is faster. In case of normal UPI, in bank statement, every transaction shown. In case of UPI Lite, in bank statement, only add money entry shown. In case of normal UPI, no need to preload the money. In case of UPI Lite, you must add money first. For normal UPI, internet is required. UPI Lite works even in low network in many apps. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.